From a lighthouse 100 √3 meter high, the angle of depression of the two ships on its opposite sides are observed to be 30 degree and 60 degree. So this time there are two elevation angles. So how to manage this, I'll tell you. Respectively, find the distance between the ships if the bases of the ships and the lighthouse are on the same horizontal line. So it is assumed that horizontal line ma अब डायग्राम के हुन्छ त यसको सबैभन्दा पहिला हेरिहालौँ है त डायग्राम यस्तो खाले डायग्राम त यो दिस इज रिलेटेड अनदर टपिक. This is lighthouse, this is going to be lighthouse, and this is ship 1, ship 2. An angle of depression is maintained. So there is going to be two right angle triangle. So I'm going to draw one lighthouse which is going to be 100 √3 meter. So imagine this is a lighthouse 100 √3. Let's name it AB. अनि अपोजिट साइडमा दुईटा सिपहरु छ भनेको छ नि त. सो एउटा सिप चाहिँ यहाँ छ अरे सी नम्बर अपोजिट साइड भनेपछि. सो दिस इज सिप 1 and D is another ship. अनि यो लाइट हाउसको मान्छेले चाहिँ एंगल अफ डिप्रेसन बनाएर यो सिपलाई पनि हेरिरहेछ यो सिपलाई पनि हेरिरहेछ है. सो एंगल अफ डिप्रेसन पनि बनाइदिन्छु म माथिबाट. यो डिप्रेसनको लागि लाइन क्रिएट गरेको हो हैन. अब हेरेपछि त यहाँबाट हैन त्यो हेर्छ नि. सो लाइट हाउसको कामै सिपहरुलाई हेर्ने हो राति. Okay, so you can see here. Okay, so imagine the one person is watching first ship with the angle of 30 degree, and this is we also going to be 30 degree later on because alternate, and then another is 60 degree, and this is also 60 degree. So we are supposed to find total distance between these two ships, how far they are with each other. That means first we have to find CB separately and BD separately using another right angle. There are two right angle triangles. So now description is very important part of this question. So that I'm going to explain. Let AB be the height of lighthouse. Height of lighthouse. And C and D are two ships opposite to each other. Angle, okay, because there is a same name, but if you suppose A 60 degree, then that can be the mistake. So we have to make it little bit specific because this same A is representing two angles, so that has to be look like a specific. For that purpose, I'm going to write some, okay, here E and here F. Okay, so angle EAC is equals to angle AC, angle C. For this you simply can write equals to 30 degree. Angle FAD is equals to angle D equals to 60 degree, and you can write angle of depression equals to angle of elevation. And now not simultaneously, one after another, you have to solve each triangle by showing their PVX. So now you can do like this. In triangle ABC, just ABC. Okay, let's not write hypotenuse value, it is not required. So A, P and B only. So what is P, what is B in this diagram is AB is going to be P, whose value is under √3, and then BC, okay, CB is equals to X. That has to be solved. Okay, the distance of ship from here to tower, and now theta equals to 30 degree in this case. So directly you can write tan 30 degree is equals to P by B. 1 by √3 equals to 100 √3 by X. So it is going to be X equals to 300. It will become directly. If I solve, you can also see √3 will be multiplied. That will become 3, and 100 into 3 is 300. Okay, so I'll do here so that you can see this also. So another triangle is ABD. So in triangle ABD, so why? Because this is done. This has come 300 now. Now another more distance from this B to D we have to find in the same way. This time also P and B. This is 100 root 3, and this is Y. We can suppose it as Y right now, which is BD. BD equals to Y. Okay, this is AB only. Sorry. After that, theta equals to 60 degree. Now tan 60 degree is equals to P by B. This is root 3, and P is 100 root 3, and B is Y. So Y equals to just 100. This root 3 will be cancelled, and here will be 1, and Y into 1 is Y. So it is 100. Now distance between two sheep is CD. CD is equals to BC plus BD. So BC we have got 300 and BD we have got 100. So total is 400 meter. Okay. So hence the distance between them is this. Between two ships is 400 meter. Okay, so this is the way how we solve the thing.